Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got something pretty special for you. A couple of months ago we did a bundle box from Disney Movie Club that was for Toy Story 4, and I really enjoyed it. The box was amazing, and everything in it was really cool, and they're only 60 bucks. Today we've got another bundle box from Disney Movie Club, and it is right here. Marvel Endgame. Check it out! So cool. I love these boxes, and this one's even bigger than the Toy Story 4 one. We're going to dive into this. Check it out. Coming up right now. All right, here we go. So, first look. Check that out. They're so good at these. It's just amazing how well they do this, and they really pack this stuff in here like Tetris. It's amazing. So, we'll go through this, and then I'll kind of give you a closer look at the box. One thing I'm noticing right off the bat, the first thing I saw in the Toy Story 4 box, I'm going to put a link right here to the Toy Story 4 box so you can check that out. But the first thing that I saw in that box was the movie. Not seeing that in this one. It very well could be because of Disney Plus that they didn't feel the need to put the actual movie in here, but I'm a little bit bummed about that. But these are very cool. Another thing I'll tell you about these boxes is they have exclusive items that you can only get in this box, and you can only get this box if you are a member of the Disney Movie Club. So I really enjoy having exclusive things that nobody else gets to have, and there are 6 pins to prove it right there. Those are super cool. I'll put it up on the screen for you so you can get a closer look. They're really heavy. They're very nice pins. And I was curious at what they were going to have. So these actually do not have Mickey head pin backs on them. I really thought they still would, even though, I mean, you know. But you can see that they're just round. But I really like these. Very cool. Coming up next, we've got, let's see, it says Avengers Endgame Ultimate Movie Night Playlist and Guitar Picks. So this is, throw that up there for you. Well, you can just take a peek. I don't know if you can see them, but these symbols are sitting on a guitar pick that you can punch out. And then there's, looks like downloadable music on it. And that's pretty cool. I'll throw a better picture up on the screen with the plastic off so you don't have all the reflection coming off of it. You know what's so cool about guitar picks? Nothing. I don't play guitar. But music's cool. I like that. All right. I'm sure some of you play guitar. Coming up next, we've got, looks like 4 coasters, and they look like they might be different. Let's see. Alright, so we've got Captain America. We've got Black Widow. Iron Man. And the Green Muscle. Just kidding. Hulk. Very cool. And they're like rubbery, so they're not going to break down. They'll last a good long time. I'll throw some up on the screen so you can take a better look at them. Very cool. Next, oh, these are actually heavy. We've got Avengers cups, and they're metal. That's really cool. All right, so I think that, yeah, so they're all the same, but they're really very cool. Actually, I'm just going to put those up on the screen so you can take a look at them. But those are very nice. And there's 4 of them. Alright, now we're going to remove this tray. Next up, popcorn buckets. So the Toy Story one came with popcorn buckets as well, except this one only has 2. Alright, so we've got 2 popcorn buckets with fake popcorn in the bottom. So the Toy Story box that we did had some snacks in it. It had goldfish crackers and gummies and stuff like that. That one gave us popcorn buckets as well, but neither of them come with popcorn, and I think that's weird. I did like the Toy Story buckets a little better. I think they're kind of cooler looking. And there's 4 of those, and with this one we just got 2, but now we have 6 popcorn buckets. Not too shabby. I could have done without them, but you know. Oh, there's socks in here. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we've got Iron Man socks. It's kind of hard to see because they're right on the seam, but very cool. We've got Time Heist socks. That's cool. Since that was kind of their mission. Not gonna really ruin anything, but just in case you haven't seen it, this doesn't really spoil anything. I mean, that name kind of does a little bit, but not really. Captain America. And these are really. I wish I could show them like that. Cool. And finally, another set of Time Heist. So there's 2 of the same kind. And then Captain America and Iron Man. Alright. Alright. Now we've got a big old fluffy blanket. Alright. This is super soft. And it's really big. And heavy. And weird. Wait a minute, what's going on here? What is this? Oh, there's a sweatshirt. What is going on here? Okay. I think this might be a Snuggie. This thing is huge. Alright, so I got a Snuggie. And a blanket. Another Snuggie! Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try one on. First I'll put this one here. I think I can get like 6 people in this thing. Let's check this out. I'm swimming in this thing. This is so big. So, I don't know if they're saying something about people who like Marvel or why they chose this size. But it's really soft and it's pretty much a blanket with a hood on it. Alright, let's try the other one. Alright, this is ridiculous. They're really cool and they're really soft, but it's like a dress. I just need to put a belt on it. And I'm going out. Whew, it's warm though. It works for that. Alright. What else do we have in here? I can't even do this. Alright. What do we have here? LED light up box. Take a look. Alright, so it says LED light up box, and it comes with a pile of letters and numbers and symbols of all the different characters, and a cord. So real quick, I'm just gonna, let's see here. You can use 6 AA batteries if you want instead. It says Avengers on top. Let's plug this thing in and see what it does. Got a cord. Happen to have sitting right here. Alright, that's cool. And then you can put it, whatever letters and symbols you want into it. And I'll put a picture of that up on the screen right here. Boop. I like it. that may end up being a display right behind me. So that's cool. I like everything in here. I'm not a huge... I'm not huge, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So, closer look at this box. The artwork on these is always really good. They're just super cool displays all by themselves. And then on the inside, one thing I'll say, just this picture in particular is a little bit fuzzy. It's not as crisp as the rest of them. There's one in the bottom, and that one looks better. But still, I really like these. They're just cool displays. You can put stuffed animals in them or whatever you want to do. They're built really nice too. They're really strong. So, all in all, 60 bucks. I mean, that's a lot of cool stuff. And again, it doesn't come with the movie, but I mean, we have Disney Plus, so I really don't need it. I like it. Again, if you wanted to take a look at the Toy Story box, it was right here above. I'm going to put it right there again. If you'd like to take a look at our last regular video, our last one we did was actually a giveaway where we drew the name, but we're going to skip that one. So if you'd like to see the last video, it was the Magic at Your Door December box. And if you'd like to subscribe, the button's right here. I hope you're having a great day.